Welcome to Ask and Learn.
We're asked to show that there is no finite state automaton with two states that recognizes the set of all bit strings that have one or more 1 bits and end with a 0. So we're going to prove this by contradiction. Suppose instead that such a finite state machine exists. Then it has start state S0 and other state S1. Now consider the empty string. Empty string lambda is not recognized by the machine because the machine is only going to recognize strings that have at least one 1-bit and that end with a 0, so they have to have also a 0. But we see that some other strings, including, say, 1, 0, are recognized. So it follows that S0 is not a final state. And therefore, S1 is the only final state. And because S1 is a final state, there must be at least one transition from S0 to S1. So the string 0 is not in the language because it doesn't have at least one 1-bit. So it follows that any transition from state 0 with an input of 0 must be to itself so we'll have to remain at S0, and therefore it follows that because we have to have at least one transition from S0 to S1, follows that if the input is 1 at S0, then we'll move from S0 to S1. But this is a problem because string 1 is not in the language. But according to this machine, it is in the language. This is a contradiction. Therefore, no such machine exists.